Welcome to my YouTube channel, fellows. This is my first video of my YouTube career. So, today we are going to discuss what if Asta had god magic. For those who are only watching anime and are not reading manga, please be aware spoilers will be released. Let's start. Long time ago, when the first Wizard King saved the world by defeating the demon, there were chaos in the god realm. Gods were infuriated on how the demon tried to destroy the creation. So they held an assembly of all the gods and goddesses, including Zeus, the king of all gods. The prime oracle in the realm had appeared before them. She was asked to make a prophecy of the future. She looked into her golem or ball type thing which suggests the future. She screamed, "Oh no!" The Zeus asked the oracle, What happened? Why are you screaming?" The oracle said, "She saw the future in darkness." Zeus asked, "What do you mean by that?" The oracle said, "I see all the demons appearing on the mortal realm." Everyone was shocked, all gods, goddesses, and even Zeus himself. Because of their own rule bestowed upon them by themselves, that no gods can interfere directly with the mortal realm, they were all worried. Because the prime oracle had made it her prophecy about the demons that would try to take over the mortal realm, and they were trying to think what they can do. Then Zeus came up with an idea. He decided to give the humans their hero. A child with pure heart was chosen, who was blessed by all the gods and goddesses when it was in its mother's womb. Yes, you are right, it was Asta. When Asta was born, all the humans with strong magic power, like the Wizard King, the Queen of Heart Kingdom, Lorupechico, and everyone, including the Spade, Clover, and Heart Kingdom, there were storms, there were earthquakes, all natural disasters reacting to Asta's mana. They all sensed. Even the Magic Knight's captain, especially Williams of the Golden Dawn, was able to sense such godly mass of mana. Julius the Wizard King rushed towards the source, as in the original story, Asta was left behind in Hajj village. So I am going on this based canon story. So let's go. And also one more, I am going to change the story by adding Yuno to being born as a noble family in the Clover Kingdom. Let's continue. Julius rushed towards Asta along with Marx, his secretary. They reached the village and sensed the huge mana from earlier coming from the church. Julius entered the church along with Marx, sensing the mana coming from a child. Julius talked to the father and requested to see the child, that is Asta. After lifting Asta in his hand, Julius couldn't believe the unbelievable amount of mana leaking from Asta. Now, since father's mana was not that strong, so he was not able to sense Asta's power, but Julius was able to. He took Asta under his care and thought he should take care of Asta, and he also made him his successor, as well as teach him all the required knowledge, including max, magic, and all the things a royal would learn. Upon Asta's arrival on the Clover Kingdom main city, everyone were looking at Julius holding a child. Julius asked all the Magic Knight captains to assemble. They all went to see Julius and saw Asta in his hand. Yami asked, Who is this kid? And what an unbelievable amount of mana is he leaking? Julius said, I don't know, but I sensed his mana from earlier, and I went and took him under my care. He's an orphan. William asked, what are you going to do with this child? But inside William licked the chief of the elves was also astonished to see him. So, Julius responded that he will make him his successor and teach him how to live like a royal. So guys, this is the part 1 I am going to make of what if Asta had god magic. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe so I can create part 2 of it and release it as soon as possible.